Good morning students, welcome to our Sheva online class. Now we are going to see our 6th lesson, that is health and hygiene. What is health and hygiene? We all know that is a basic in nowadays we are using many words health and hygienic due to that COVID-19. Okay, see, health is good, health is key to the happiness. That means when you have a good health, that is the key for happiness. When you are not having a good health, you can't able to be happy, and your family, your relative, your mother will not be happy, because we are sick, we can't able to do anything. That only they saying good health is key to happiness. And what is hygiene? Hygiene is the foundation of healthy living. That means hygiene is the foundation, that means base for the healthy living. When you are in a hygiene, then you will live a good health. Okay, when you are not hygiene means many infection, many sickness will become, so you can't able to live a good health. Now see our lesson, they saying health is referred to the state of complete emotional and physical well-being. That means health is referred to emotion and physical well. That means mentally and physically. Okay, mental means our mindset. Okay, when you are not good with your mental stress, with you are in mental stress means what you will do whenever you do some work means it will come definitely having some mistakes. But you are strong with your mental, emotional, everything means then you can able to do perfectly. That is the difference. When you are in the emotional sick means you can't do any work. Okay, what is physical? Physical means having some wounds and some fevers like that. That is the physical. Okay, when you are in a physical sickness means that then you can't able to walk itself. You will be more sick. Someone have to take care of you. Then only you will be able to do some work. These are the both. We want both the mental stress to be removed, and for a physical also you have to be strong. Then only you can be live a good health. And see, the defined by World Health Organization, that means WHO. This is one group which they will find more researchers and about the world. They will say about everything, that sensor, everything they will measure it and they will say to the World Health Organization. They are saying that state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. That means they are also saying for mentally, physically and the social well-being surrounding us, that social also we have to be very in a good and in a optimal stage. Okay, then only we can able to live a good wealth and living. Okay, then hygiene is what they are saying means establish and maintenance of the health condition. That means when you are hygiene, then you will maintain your health condition. When you are not in hygiene, then you can't able to maintain your health condition. Okay, that is the difference. When you are hygiene, you will be able to live a good health condition. This is the way. And for a good health, and what to do, we have to eat a protein rich and healthy foods. We have to take a healthy food. Nowadays there is nothing in food, there is no health also, because in everything is not rich in protein, because we are using polluting everything, so only our food is not good that much. Okay, we have to eat like a protein rich milk and some almond, and we have to take a rice, wheat, everything. When you take everything means you will lead a good health. That only they are saying. Consumption of a food. What are the, we have to take a food. Okay, the chemical constitutes of food which give us energy. When you take a constitutes of some food, it will give what it will give? Energy. That only we are eating. Without taking some foods, you can able to stand you can't able to stand, you will be faint out. Okay, so it will give a energy and build our body and protect us from the disease, and it will also build our strong body, and it will also protect from some disease. If some disease enter in your body, like a microorganism will enter in your body, then when you eat a protein rich or a good consumption of some food, it will fight against the microorganism. Then you can't able to get the food because you are strong. Whenever the disease came, you can able to fight with the disease. Okay, this is the more important to take some foods. Okay, carbohydrate. In our food there is a carbohydrate, fats, protein, everything. When you take a carbohydrates, energy giving component of the food, that means the carbohydrate is the base for giving energy. Okay, just see sugar things, which all are fruits. Fruits also sweet only. So fruits, honey, canned sugar, beetroot, these are the sugar content food. These all are having carbohydrate. And starch. Starch means water, that flour like constants, maavu flour na maavu. Okay, there are many pronunciation there is. Okay, flour means not that first floor, second floor. Flour is, this is another flour, that is a maavu solvanga. Okay, and that is rice, maize, potato starch also there. Okay, that all are good for the health. And dietary fibers. What is dietary fibers? Whole grains and nuts. Nuts means almond and cashew nut, that all nuts. Whole grains means beans, like that, that all the whole grains. These are containing carbohydrates. And protein also there. Protein means meat. In meat there is a protein. Okay, when we consume a meat, we'll get a protein also. Just see fat. Fat is, there are two types of fat, good fat and not bad fat. Okay, just see cholesterol is, we want a cholesterol. In our skin there is a cholesterol after the skin layer, that is used for when you have a shivering. Okay, in the cold climate you have shivering, means then you are less with the good cholesterol. We are not with shivering in the cold climate, means you are okay, you are having a good, that is lipid, they will used to say lipid. In further classes you will study about that. Okay, for what is a bad cholesterol, that is you can't able to breathe and overweight, obesity, these are the bad cholesterol. Now I will show you one video how which food we are want to take and which we will not take. Okay, how the organs are suffering due to our behavior. I will show you now. Let's see about the organ story. Okay, just see, in house one boy is living at the night. He is just sleeping, and just see the organs in his body, what all are doing. See, there is a lungs, heart, stomach, everything. Heart is beating and lungs is just breathing, and stomach also just taking a digestion. He is in sleeping, and his brain also taking a rest. In sleeping only brain will take a rest. When suddenly the alarms just on, it will be just in a brain is just taking a rest, and it just take a shock, and he is eating everything full of cholesterol. He is not having a idea about the good health. Now see, in the heart full of cholesterol is having, and he also smoking. When he also taking a cholesterol food, smoking, and that smoke is just affecting the lungs, and again he is taking full of junk fruits, smoking, and the organs fully affected. See, the heart just full of covered with cholesterols only. It is suffering to beat. Now it just stop beating because of the cholesterol, and every organs just disturbed due to this. When a heart is just stopped means every organ will be disturbed, and the doctor is just giving a treatment to pump the heart. Just they are giving first aid. The doctor giving first aid, and slowly the heart getting to the normal, not normal, but it just taking a pumping, and he is under the observation, and again he is not taking a care for his health. Again he is doing the same thing, and then next the lungs is getting affecting. In a lung cells, every cells are get damaging, and now lungs also get affected. See, he can't able to breathe also. Then again going to the hospital, every organs are just affected, and they are suffering to do their works. See how the man getting older due to his behavior. Now I show you about the video, you can able to understand how the organs are suffering. You all know we only suffered, why the organs also having a separate work. Okay, without organ we can't able to live. For that health good organ only we can able to speak, walk and feel better. Okay, so please don't do some like this work, and just take a good nutrition food, and have a better good hygienic health, then only the organ will be normal and it will be stable. Okay, then see health and nutrition. Health and nutrition, what is health? I already told you, the physical and mental well is want to be a normal stage, then only you can do the work. And balanced diet, that is comes under the nutrition. Okay, what is balanced diet? The diet should contain adequate amount of all necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. That means for our diet, that boy what he did everything, he eating junk foods. Okay, that only the cholesterol gets. Okay, when you take a nutritive foods, then every food will be balanced, and you can't able to suffer about these things. Okay, so you have to take what? Fats, oils and sweet. I told you in fats there are also good fats like a dairy product. What is dairy product? Milk, butter, cheese, these are the dairy product. Okay, that. And then sweet means sugar can, like that, not that junk food sweet, not like that packed item, that is not. I told you sweet means sugar can, and normal sugar which is good for health. Okay, and you also take a meat, eggs, fish. Fish is very rich in omega 3, that will help to our body. Okay, just take it, fruits, vegetables and bread item also. You have, when you take this, you can able to grow stronger and healthier. When you not having a good nutritive food means you can't able to grow stronger and healthier. Just take page number 95. There is a boy who is full of he can't able to take a good nutritive food. Okay, that only he is suffering about his growth. Okay, these children are saying that malnutrition, that means they can't able to get the food also. We are having food, but they in poor places there is no food for the children, that only they are suffering from malnutrition. Okay, these are having a deficiency disease, that means for due to some vitamins this disease will be also come. Okay, we having a vitamins, that only we are growing normally, but these children are not having a vitamins, they are deficiency. So that only these disease all are coming to them. And you also want to do, when you take some junk foods or cholesterol food means you have to do yoga and exercise, and also there is also exercise like dance, and you have to play a game. Game means not in a mobile, you have to go out and you have to play. Okay, then sports, you have to interact with some sports, okay, then only you will be physically you will be strong, okay. Just live a active living, okay, active life. That means you just take a good foods and you have to play and you have to do yoga, exercise, everything, means your life will be stable and good, okay. When you are not good, then you can't able to go to the job and you can't able to study and you can't able to earn money also. So when you are having a hygienic basic and you will have a good health. When you have a good health and you also have a good wealth, okay. This is our lesson which I told you about everything. And also there is another point, introduction about microbes. I also told you in a previous class, I show you some microscope under some images, cells. There are bacteria, virus, fungi, everything. And when you are not hygienic, bacteria will, you are touching every place, okay. So the bacteria also in every place we can't able to see, because that is a nanoparticle. When it will come and combine with your hands, when you wash your hands, it will be removed off. But when you are not washed your hand, then what will happen? It will, you will keep your hand in your eyes, ears, then it will, the particle will be move into the eyes and you will get a sick. And also you are eating, okay, from the food it will got a sick. These are the microorganisms which will make you sick, okay. This is our lesson. Now I will show how to wash your hand properly. Just take some sanitizer or some soaps, just pour it off and first do like this, okay. Rub your hands and upwards and just go in the middle of the fingers, because there will be also microbes. And then just clean your nails, because microbe also enter your nails. Just rub your nails and your thumb finger and just wash it off. This is the way how to wash your hand properly with hygienic, okay. This is our lesson which we saw on about health hygienic, okay. Just take a glance and study well. Thank you, students.